Welcome to 4308 23rd Street. So we are by Douglas and 23rd, and this unit comes over to the market with a rental tag of 3,700. Oh gosh, sorry about that. Okay, so the house has laundry. So we see the kitchen right here, and refrigerator, stove, and now we check out the bathroom right there. And now we go into hardwood floors, big closet right here, and then we go into the actual garage, and it has machines right there, and let's touch this button, and we go now upstairs where the bedroom is, which is in the second floor. Once again, this unit at 4308 23rd Street comes over to the market with a rental tag of 3,700. And to see it, all what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017 for a showing of this little apartment located in Noe Valley. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.